It's no surprise that being a guy in massage therapy is definitely the minority. 85% of all massage therapists are female. So as a guy going into this field, is it an instant recipe for disaster? Are we discriminated against that much? Or can we succeed in massage therapy? So from the start, as a guy, we immediately get 20% less clientele from the beginning. And this comes from a couple different reasons, but three big ones. And that is either a woman doesn't want to see a guy doesn't want to see a guy, or a woman is okay with it, but her husband or boyfriend is not okay with them seeing a guy. And the reasons can be endless. Maybe they just don't like guys. Maybe they've had a bad experience. They're afraid of men. Maybe they're homophobic. Who knows? The reason doesn't necessarily matter that much, but it does affect us. So starting off, yes, it is a lot harder to begin or get started as a male massage therapist, especially in a spa instance or something like that. A man is not going to be as booked up as a woman. And same thing with running your own business, be harder to find your grounding as a man. But neither of those things are impossible. We still have the ability to go out there and get clients. They are available. The big thing as a guy is you're gonna have to work harder for the same outcome. If you want a full schedule, you're gonna have to work 3 times as hard as the girl next to you just because she's female. But you guys can still both have a completely full schedule. If you're a guy and you're not getting booked up and you're kind of just blaming it on the fact that you're a man, that people don't want to see you because they're afraid of you, they're not giving you a fair opportunity, and you've already given yourself a mindset for failure. You're not going to succeed if that's what you think. Because what I have found is, in the long run, it doesn't matter that you're a guy anymore if you can give an amazing massage and you can fix their pain and you can be professional about it. All those things come into play, especially if you're a guy, even more so. You have to be professional, be personable and nice, keep yourself well dressed, well groomed, give them an incredible massage above all else, and people will come back to see you. And especially once the ball gets rolling and people start talking by word of mouth about this amazing therapist, it doesn't matter that you're a guy anymore, because people have heard what you can do for them and they'll come and see you. And then in the long run, I actually think men have it easier than women, because in the long run, we do not have to deal with as many creepy people as women do, and generally, men can handle the repetitive stress on their muscles better than women. Women are just more prone to carpal tunnel or wrist or tendon issues. So yes, absolutely, starting off as a guy, you're gonna build up your clientele slower. There's gonna be people that don't wanna see you. There's even gonna be times when they book with you and not realizing you're a guy, and they get to you in person and they're like, I don't want a massage from you. You can't take it personally and don't get offended by it, even though it does really suck when that happens. But just focus on continuing to better your profession and focus on the clients that are willing to see you and giving them the most amazing session they've ever had. And it's good to note that when it comes to massage, gender doesn't matter. I have met men that can have a very light, caring touch, and I have met women that are insanely deep and will make you jump off the table. So if you're getting a massage and you're concerned about seeing a girl because she'll be too light, or seeing a guy because you're scared of it being too deep or heavy, don't think that way, because every therapist can change their massage and pressure, and you may be very surprised at the skill level that comes from someone you never knew. But to wrap it up, as a male therapist, it's gonna be harder starting off building that clientele, and you are gonna get a little discriminated against from certain people, but don't take it personally and just focus on your path towards the future. Because if you let one person or a few people bring you down every time, especially people you don't even know, then you're never gonna achieve your dreams in life and go out and do the things you want. Just brush it off, focus on the things that are in your control, and you will find amazing success as a massage therapist, whether you're a girl or a guy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped out. Click the like button if it did, and subscribe to the channel for more fitness and massage related content every single week. I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day.